Good afternoon, folks. My name is Theo. I'm the general sandwich maker here at Shamwari Private Game Reserve. We're almost coming to the end of the first week of the national lockdown, so as one of the people that stayed behind at the reserve to babysit the lodges and the animals, we thought we'd bring you a few behind the scenes of what we're getting up to while the lockdown's taking place. You would have seen a few of the virtual game drives by my colleague Andrew Kearney. He's our head ranger, and I'm going to take you on a little bit of a tour and introduce you to some of the people doing essential work on the reserve over the next few weeks. So I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you soon. Let's go. Folks, we are at the Wildlife Rehabilitation Centre at Shamwari, and I'm so chuffed to be able to introduce you to Megan. She is our veterinary nurse, and she's got a special guest she would like to introduce us to. So Megs, over to you.
So this is Flower, and she even knows her name, which is a striped polecat. We found her here on Shamwari in quite a bad condition when she was 2 months old. Hey my love, you really are hungry. Thank you. That's my finger. So yeah, she was in the rain and not looking very happy with life. So we brought her here to the rehab center, where we started her on milk and have since transitioned her over onto some meat. And as you can see, she's quite hungry. So we'll probably keep her here at the rehab center for another couple of months before we release her. But she is quite wild still. She's not too certain of me, and she just knows that I mean food. Okay, so striped polecats are nocturnal. You don't see them during the day. They only ever are around at night, and if you're lucky enough to see them at night, then you're very, very lucky. You generally find that they are by themselves, unless they are mating. So you generally find that they are solitary. They're not with a partner. And we've generally found that they probably would eat the odd shrub, but generally carnivorous, like to feed on bugs, eggs, and small little insects and things like that. And you don't often find them eating or being omnivorous. And that is my finger. Since when do you eat me like this? So this is Bambi. He's a male Inyala that's probably about a month and a half old now. And he was found abandoned on the reserve about 3 weeks ago. So we've had him for a while already. The only sad thing is we don't have any other antelope, so he's got no friends. But he's very, very friendly. And we'll probably keep him for 6 months before he gets released back into the wild. Let's go get your milk, my boy. Thanks, George. Should we go in the sun? Oh, you know it's food time. Hey? Yeah. So he gets fed 150 mils 5 times a day. So we generally try and feed 10% body weight through a 24-hour period. All finished. Good boy.
Is that it?
That's it.
All done?
All finished. And he always wants more love and attention. Hey, we get you to run after him.
Don't we all?
Mom would know what to do now. How to love correctly. Hey? And I don't. No, I don't. You can stick your finger in his mouth if you want to. You're fine. You're gonna say you won't have the coronavirus. No corona.
What's her name?
Karma.
Karma.
Yeah. Hello. What's a girly? Come on, love. Come. You can see their coat is much thicker and different and more fluffy compared to a normal meerkat. I mean mongoose, not meerkat, normal mongoose. Quite a thick tail as well. And I'm not sure if you can see her feet. They're webbed feet for being able to walk in the mud. Careful! Careful! Good girl. Hey, good girl. Come inside. A scream is she? Running away. So what I've noticed with these water mongooses, they're very clean. She has her toilet corner, which she will go and do her business in, which is generally as far away from her house and her food as possible, which is very interesting.